Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce server load with AWS Lambda, full guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the concept of server load. Server load refers to the amount of work your server is currently handling. High server load can lead to slow performance and downtime for your applications. AWS Lambda provides a way to run code in response to events without provisioning server. The first step is to create an AWS account if you don't already have one. Log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Lambda service. Click on the Create Function button. Choose Author from Scratch. Provide a name for your function. Select a runtime that matches your code, such as Python or Node.js. Click on Create Function to proceed. Next, you will configure triggers for your Lambda function. Triggers can include API Gateway, S3, DynamoDB, and more. Select a trigger that fits your use case and configure it accordingly. Now, it's time to write your Lambda function code. Use the built-in code editor or upload a .zip file with your code. Your function should be designed to perform tasks efficiently and quickly. After writing the code, click on the Deploy button to save your changes. It's important to set memory and timeout limits for your Lambda function. Higher memory allocation can lead to faster execution but at a higher cost. Adjust these settings based on your application's needs. Once the function is deployed, test it using the built-in testing feature. Create a test event that simulates the event that triggers your function. Run the test and check the output for any errors. Monitor the performance of your Lambda function using AWS CloudWatch. CloudWatch provides metrics such as invocation count, duration, and error rate. If you notice performance issues, optimize your code to run more efficiently. Consider breaking down larger functions into smaller, more manageable ones. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.